Are you tired of feeding your film after the last job of the day? Yeah, me too. I can't even tell you how many times I've been asked about this exact thing. Most manufacturers just kind of shrug and go, well, that's just the way it is. And honestly, I used to accept that answer too. But once again, DTF Station stepped in and said, nope, just the way it is, it's not good enough. Say hello to DTF Station Pilot. This is the control software that powers DTF Station printers. It's basically HostNsoft or PrintEXP, but actually improved in ways that matter. Like real improvements, not just cosmetic tweaks. Let's start with the obvious cosmetic stuff. How about actual English translations? Instead of nozzle check or print adjust, we get nozzle check and test print. It sounds like a small thing, but when you're in a hurry or new or troubleshooting, it's nice to know what the software is actually trying to say. But let's get to the real stuff that matters, like the advanced film feature. This single button solves a super annoying part of the end of day routine. If you've ever found yourself standing there manually feeding the film so it clears the dryer before you shut everything down, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Here's how it works. Click on Advanced Film and a little window pops up. You'll get to choose how far to feed it. That's the advancing increment. So just measure the distance the film travels to reach the end of the dryer. But then you'll have to calculate the distance in millimeters. So multiply the number of feet times 300. And that will give you a rough millimeter value. Like 3 feet is approximately 900 millimeters. Then there's feed speed. If you're unsure what value to put here, you can check the print speed results from a previous job and use that value. That will make sure your film feeds out at a similar rate to how it was moving when you were printing. Simple, smart, and saves a ton of your time. Now I can go about doing other things to wrap up my day and not waste my time pressing a button. This is exactly why I chose to partner with DTF Station. They're not just making good printers, they're listening. They're solving real problems that the rest of the industry just kind of ignores. If you want more information on DTF printers, feel free to reach out or check the link in the description to find a dealer near you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.